What's up, guys? Happy Cinco de Mayo, May 5th. Today's workout is called Tiger Balm. We're gonna do a 20-minute AMRAP that consists of 3 movements. We've got a 200-meter run. We've got 7 double dumbbell power clean and jerks. And that sounds like a superhero. Double dumbbell power clean and jerks. And then 40 double unders, okay? So the double clean and jerks, we're just gonna do clean and jerks with 2 dumbbells. We've been doing these as 1. So we're gonna do clean and jerks with 2 dumbbells. You'll take the dumbbells from the ground, you'll clean them, jerk them. You can, push press them, push jerk them, however you want to do that. When you go down, only one head of the dumbbell has to touch the ground, right? Okay? If I do not have 2 dumbbells, if I've only got 1 dumbbell, I'm going to modify the rep scheme a little bit. I'm going to go to 14 single dumbbell alternating clean and jerk, which basically I'm still doing 7, it's just each arm, okay? So this one is gonna be a little different. It's gonna start between our feet, and we're going to touch the entire dumbbell to the ground, and it's gonna go to the shoulder, then go up. You can switch hands, shoulder, and then up. So you would do 14 of those alternating, which is basically 7 on each side. If I don't even have a dumbbell, but I've got maybe an odd object, something loaded down with something, excuse me, buddy. I want to say hello to the neighbor's cat. All right, so if I only have an odd object, I can do the same thing. I can clean it and jerk it that way. So from the ground, clean it to the right position, drive it overhead, back down, rinse and repeat, okay? As far as the double unders goes, a couple ways to modify those today. 40 double unders, or if I've got a jump rope, I can do 40 total jumps. If you're someone who's you can do a few double unders, but you just can't do 40 unbroken, or you just don't think you can sustain that, just think 40 total jumps. Get as many double unders as you can. If you mess up, count that jump, or do singles, to finish out the round, whatever. Count the jumps that you do, though, to 40 total jumps, okay? Whether they're doubles, whether they're singles, whether they're mess ups, right? That just encourages you to attempt the double under. If you don't have a jump rope, we're gonna do line hops. We've done those before. Remember, over and back is 1. We're gonna do 20 line hops if we don't have a jump rope. If we don't have a place to run, a couple people have not had a place to run, or they've been doing these indoors, or maybe it's raining out, they don't have a place to run. There's a couple different ways we can modify that. We can do 60 mountain climbers for the 200-meter run, or we can do 30 squat jumps. So we know mountain climbers, right? I can do squat jumps, right? I can do 30 of those. The mountain climbers are actually, it's 60, but it's back and forth, right and left is 1. So depending on how you count it, it's 120. Also, if you have a small yard and maybe you don't want to get out and run, you could always break up these runs into shorter segments and do them as a shuttle. That's always an option. One thing I want to think about, though, today is each station is supposed to be about a minute or less, right? So you shouldn't be spending more than a minute at each station. So with that being said, we're shooting for about 6+ rounds today. So keep that in your head, modify accordingly. Have a happy Cinco de Mayo.